everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden. I welcome you. So I wanted to say happy summer. That's right, it's still spring, but summer is going to be kicking off on Memorial Day, and by June it's coming. So I already laid in the sun yesterday, as you can tell, and I got my beach on. So I wanted to say welcome to everybody, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, and people who are looking around that might become my future subscribers. And I want to also say thank you to you all for subscribing, new, old, and future. I really appreciate it. My channel has been growing, and it's almost going to be at 4,000 soon, so keep sharing my videos. I have a lot of different playlists. As you know, I have a variety of different playlists, most of you that have been with me for a long time. So I do appreciate that all of you take the time to watch my videos, like my videos, and comment on my videos. So I've done a lot of videos recently. Now I'm going to go through for the new subscribers and for people that are new, just looking around and haven't subscribed yet. But if you haven't, please remember to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you are notified when I upload my newest videos. And remember to like and share and comment, even if it's just to say hello. So if you have any questions, what have you. So the variety of different playlists I have. First and foremost, I have my updates and announcements. And that is where I'm going to put anything that says, you know, updates, like my welcomes, like now that I say hello and tell you about my channel. If I have any announcements, such as what's going to go on with my channel, any new playlist, any upcoming events and videos and what have you, I'll put them there. Then I have my jewelry tutorials, which I've made these earrings. They're sequence earrings. I've made this necklace using large sequences, and I've made a variety of other different jewelry, and that's all going to be in my jewelry tutorial. Now they're for the beginner, but not really, because anybody can learn from them. I try to make them as affordable and as easy as possible. And if you don't want to just use regular wire or what have you, and you really want to use silver and gold and real, you know, gemstones and what have you, like real diamonds for it, if you've got that kind of money and you want to use that in your design, you still can use the ideas and what I showed you using whatever, whether it's cheaper products or more expensive products, to create the jewelry that I show here. So basically I'm just trying to show the beginner, but everybody can learn from it, because I don't just do wire jewelry, but I do wire jewelry, I do beaded jewelry, I do resin jewelry, and I have a 4-part, but basically a 3-part, showing you what on resin, on what to buy, what to use, what not to use, how to use it, and then the second one, I show you how to use it, how to mix it, and all that other stuff. And then the third one, I show you popping it out of the molds, how to, you know, I use a Dremel to shape it, file it, buff it, polish it, and make holes in it to turn it into wearable jewelry and other objects that you can use. And then I have a 4th one showing you what I've made with my resins. And it could be jewelry, it could be hair clips and other things. So go check that out. I also have beads, seed beads, regular beads. I also do filigree. And I try to use things that not the everyday person would use. I also have jewelry just using discarded empty tea light trays. Also using cardboard and glitter, vinyl glitter, using my newest cutting. And I also was using cardstock and vinyl glitter, using my die cut machine and die cuts. So I have that as well. And of course my latest ones have been sequences, a large 40mm sequences. So you want to go check it out. I also do DIY crafts playlist, and in there I show you using these as well, and smaller sequences. I did recently 2 videos showing you one that I made inside that's hanging up, but you can't see it. It's right over here. And then I have another one that I made for outside. They're 2 different kinds. They're a sequin outdoor decoration, and it's hanging, and an indoor hanging. And they're 2 different kinds, but they're very easy and affordable. So I hope you go check out my DIY crafts playlist, and there's a variety. I have a refresh, how to do a glam lamp style, refreshing my lamps, my old things, and I have tons more. Then I have, after that, I have my everyday vlogs, in which I just vlog about, I don't do them every day, even though they're called everyday vlogs, but I do discuss vlogs, but I do discuss my everyday life and what goes on in it, and I'll show you my cats. If I go to the beach or if I go somewhere, I bring that. I also show you outside my house and indoor in my house in the day and the night, and a variety of different things. If I ever go on a vacation, then I take you there. I have one when I lived upstate New York, Watkins Glen. My husband and I went there. I appear briefly, so does my husband. It's in there. That was a few years back. But yeah, so that's my everyday vlogs. Go click it and check it out, that playlist, as well as I have paranormal vlogs. So in my paranormal vlogs, I discuss growing up paranormal, these growing up, and also my experiences. I'm clairvoyant and clairaudient. I can hear, I can speak to spirits, entities, and interdimensional beings, and I also capture them in water. I do water scrying, but just a little bit different. As you can see, I caught my little kitty, Butterball, I had a connection with him. I've got other cats in there, and I captured them in water, because water is living water. The waters are living, and it's all in there. I talk about, and you could see Butterball. I asked him, I have a few of him, but he came, and this is a picture of my cat Butterball, and this is what I caught of him in water. I asked him to come in really super clear for me, and he did. And I also have episodes 6 and 12 of my paranormal vlogs. I not only show you I tell you about how I do the water scrying, but I also show you in 12. So episodes 6 and 12, I'm showing and telling you how to do your own water scrying, so you too can capture spirits, entities, and interdimensional beings in water. And you can ask for specific people or specific pets or what have you. Okay. And other people have tried my method and they've caught it. I've told many people about it and they were amazed at what they got. And no, it's not pareidolia. I can promise you that. So I also have much more. I capture conversations, their AVPs, their clips I take with the spirits, entities, and interdimensional beings. So go ahead and click that. I typically don't start with those until like around October, maybe mid-September. And whenever anything good pops up, I'll put it on there. I also talk about mud fossils and Tartaria and a lot of other things that are unexplained and paranormal. So go ahead and join me there on my paranormal playlist. Then I also have product reviews, and I've just done a whole slew of them, so please go check that out. One of them was just this. There are 2 of them, and let's see, they're called food fans. And it has a handle. They're not fans to get cool. A handle, and then it gets this way so you can hang it. And then when you don't hang it, you fold the handle and you go like this. And the blades won't harm you. And they go really slow. Put that there. And what that is, and what it does is it keeps the flies away, or any mosquitoes or gnats when you're eating. You can take it camping, you can put it inside the house if you have shops for food and you don't want them buzzing around your countertops and around the customer's food, or if you have a little cafe outside, you could place one in the center of each table and it won't bother your customers, or you can get them for yourself and they come two to a package. They take 2 AA batteries each. They're inexpensive. I did a whole review, and then the link for it is the Fandor store on Amazon. And all you do is look below that review video, and there's a link for it on Amazon, and you click it and you go to it. And they're inexpensive, and they're a fun little inventive product. I also have ASMR also playlist, and in there I do fun things and fun spooky things with Halloween and silly things, and I also read and do nice calming ASMR, and I also put my ASMR poetry. It's just poetry, it's like gothic poetry, and I speak it softly and have nice music, so it helps you relax if you're stressed. And then I also have, back to my product reviews, I have a variety of different products. They're from products not only that I purchased myself or was given as gift, or and sometimes companies contact me and want me to review their product. I always agree, and I give an honest review. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Yeah, you should definitely check that out. And then I have, like I said, my ASMR. I also have some shorts that I didn't make with a cell phone. I did it with my regular, because I don't like the cell phone view, you know. So, and I really don't use my cell phone for pictures or videos. Yep, that's right. Not a big cell phone fan. Many people that know me, I hardly use it. My husband and I share a cell phone. And I often forget it because I'm not attached to it. I'm not a big cell phone person. So anyway, I just really wanted to say hello and welcome you to my channel, and that if you're not subscribed, do that now. Click that notification bell. Like and share my videos. It helps me to get around, and I want to say I appreciate you all. Now, some of you are just here from my paranormal vlogs. I did a lot of mud fossils and other things that interest you, but I like to have a variety. I don't want to have 10 different channels and people are all over the place not being able to find this one or that one. I want to give you a variety. If you're not into jewelry tutorials and you're into the paranormal, there it is. And if you're into ASMR or if you're into product reviews, there's that. And sometimes I do shopping hauls on any one of my playlists, like my DIYs or my jewelry tutorials or my everyday vlogs. So I hope you will go check out all my playlists, and I hope you will subscribe. And I do want to thank you all for being here and taking the time. And I also do shout outs, and I recently did a shout out for a great channel, or a few great channels, so I hope you'll check that shout out as well. Thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for subscribing, and I will see you in my videos. Bye.